Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 23 for learning memory system in Django with ReactJs. So we are creating the layouts. We are building the layouts. So in our previous video we have created the course list page. So when we go to this home page, when we click on this see all, then here you can see that we have this is latest course, and I have also implemented this pagination. Okay, so this is just a layout. It is not fetching the data from the database, but we will do that soon. So now in this video what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the list of page in which we will fetch all popular courses, and then I will show the popular teachers. So how we will decide that which course is popular or which course is not? So we will decide that based on the ratings. Okay, so if you click on any of the course, then here you can see that we have rating. Okay, and similarly for the teacher we also have a rating. Okay, so on the basis of this rating we will fetch the sort the data. Okay, so one question you can ask me that if the two teachers have same rating, then how we will sort? So we will sort according to the views, that how many views of that teacher, how many courses of that teacher. So based on these three criteria we will show the sorting. Okay, so let's create these pages. So first of all we will create the popular courses. So I will just follow this like I have created the latest course list. I will similarly create these popular courses. Okay, actually I have given you a task for these pages. I don't think any of you created this, but it's okay, I'm going to create this. Okay, so you should try to do this. Okay, so here we have I have opened this my visual code. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going my source folder, and here I will open my components folder, then main.js folder, and from the main.js folder I will just simply, okay, so here we have a main.js, and what I will do, I will create, this is all courses. I will copy this, paste it here, and rename this, and I will say popular courses. Okay, so popular courses. So rename this and open this. Yeah, so here we have popular courses. Now we need to change two things in the popular courses and as well as in the home page. So let's see what I'm going to change. So in this I'll add div class card footer. Okay, and in this card footer what I'm going to do, I'll just simply say rating, just simply say 4.5 out of 5. So let's see where it will show and how it will show. So here you can see that this is 4.5 and this, and I'll just simply say rating. Okay, now we can also add this in a div class. You can say title, and I'll move this rating here. Okay, so this is rating. Now similarly what we will do, and add it in a span. Why I'm adding this in span, let's see. And now I will add one more span, and this will be views, and views will be like you can say some number. So here you can see that now in this span I will add class equal to, sorry for the noise. Okay, so class equal to float, right, or you can say margin start auto. Okay, so why it is not moving here? Let's see. We have some kind of issue here. Span okay, maybe space issue or something, so that it is not moving. We will take help from the getbootstrap.com, and we will add here float. This is float, and we will see float end. It should be float end, not float right, but it should be float end, so it will move right. Okay, so here you can see that we have this kind of thing. Okay, now similarly we can apply this all of the things in all of the div. Okay, so I'm just going to apply one or two div, and later we will, when we will fetch the data by the dynamic way, then it will, of course we will apply this on all of the things. So actually we have applied this on a wrong area, because this is not our popular course. Actually this is our, where is the card div here? We need to apply it here. Okay, I hope you are understanding all of the things. If you have any doubt, any query, then please add in the comment section. So here we have one more. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next, we need to create this popular, we will need to link this popular course here. So where we are, this is the, here we have popular course, and here we will add link, because if you are working with a routing, React Router DOM, then you have to define this link tag, and in this link tab you have to define the in this route, and here we need to create the route. So where is the all courses? Here we have, so I will say import popular, let's copy this and paste it here. I just change the name popular. Okay, and copy all of this, copy this and paste it here. Okay, and copy this route, and this will be popular courses, and this will be also popular courses. Fine. Now we will define this link in the home page. Okay, and we need to export this popular course here, because we have copied this. I know this, we need to change this popular course. So let's see now, and here we need to also change popular courses. Okay, so click on this, and here you can see that popular courses. If we go here, this is latest course. When we go here, this will be popular course. Okay, so these are the things. Now we also need to add one more thing here in the popular course. We need to add card footer. Okay, so let's add it in the, after the card body. I will add it quickly so that our layout will be same as in our home page. You should I think you should do you should create this layout on yourself, because these are very common layouts. These are very easy layouts, so that you can create this. Now we need to create, next our layout is popular teachers. So our popular teacher is also based on the ratings. Okay, totally based on the ratings, not view, but totally based on the ratings. And if the rating is same, then we will show according to the registration date. If the registration, that how old is teacher. Okay, so if how old is and ratings are the same, then more old and more ratings, then we will show them first. Okay, so these are the things. So let's create that a teacher page quickly. So I'll go to this is popular course, and I'll just simply copy this page sorry, and this is popular teachers, and this will be popular teachers. Okay, copy this. I have saved this as a HTML. We don't need HTML, but we need JS. Why it is not? Let me go to folder, and here we will change. Okay, now let's open this and paste the name. Teachers, copy here, paste it here. This is fine. And popular teachers. Okay, and we don't need to show the views. Okay, so what I will do, I will just simply remove this. Okay, so now we need to add it in the home page. Let's go to add here, copy, paste, popular teachers, add it here, and here we need to add route, popular teachers and teachers. Okay, so now let's go to home page, and I'll just copy this link, and what I will do, I'll go to see all and paste it here, and this will be popular teachers and we need to copy this card footer, paste it after the card body, and we need to remove this views because we are fetching just according to ratings. Okay, so paste it here quickly. Yes, now we are done. Let's go to popular teachers, let's go to see all. Here you can see that we have popular teachers only which have ratings. Okay, and I'm going to also I'm going to change the image. Where is this popular teachers? Okay, let me see the name of the image, public, and this is teacher.png. so this will be teacher.png. so I'll just replace all of the name teacher.png, replace all. Let's see now. So here you can see that we have teachers. Okay, so so when we click on the teacher, then we can find the details. So just give me one, this will be teacher detail. Okay, so let's go to see all, and this is popular teacher. So just simply this will be teacher detail, and similarly we can add it on home page also. So here we have a teacher name, just simply add the link. Why we are saying the course title, it should be teacher name. Okay, and copy this and paste it in home page. So I have created this two layouts in this video, and let me complete this, then we will explain. Okay, so when we click on this, then it will show the why it is showing the course detail. Actually I have changed the link on the title but not on the image, so I will change this later. So when we click on this teacher name, it will show the teacher detail. Okay, so we have created a layout, latest course, popular course, teachers, and this testimonial will come from the user panel, from the user dashboard. Okay, he can add the testimonial. Okay, so we have created the in the next video, what I'm going to do, in the next video we will create the category page. So when we click on this teacher, here you can see that we have category, so we will show the courses according to the category. Okay, so we have created almost every page in the teacher panel, student panel. Okay, so let's go to the we have a ad, and here is the title, description, course video. We also need to add here one image for the course image. Okay, course featured image we will add. Okay, so this is the course videos. Okay, we will add more functionality here in the course video, because in the single course they have lots of videos. Okay, so we will see that how we will manage that. Okay, so in this video I just want to show you that how we will create the other layouts like popular courses and teacher courses. So we have created that successfully. Now in the next video we will create more layouts for our category list, and we will modify the add form, add course form. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel, share this video, and support me via Razorpay, PayPal, Patreon. You can see the description, all of the link and description in the about section. Okay, I have defined everything in the about section. So you can also join my membership. So I will give you extra projects. I will give you extra projects on every member. Just send me your email, then I will share you. And you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and I have uploading all the code on GitHub. So just support me any of the amount and just give me your email ID. I will give you access of my GitHub repo, and you can access all of the source code just with the small appreciation. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any query, then please email or please comment in the specific video. Okay, so thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.